Hey everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing with this flywheel again, if vapor honing can prevent rust. We're going to blast it first and then we're going to talk about that, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, we're back with part 2 of the video. So as you can see, we blasted maybe about a third of this piece. Now the question was, will sandblasting prevent rust? The short answer is no, but there are rust preventatives that you can use after the fact. There's rust preventatives like CRC336 that you can spray on these parts. Now something to note is they will be a little bit oily. In our vapor honing machines, we use a water-based corrosion inhibitor inside the machine. With sandblasting, you can't quite do that, so you'll have to use something like this after the fact to prevent any rust. So what you want to do is just take this, give a quick spray. You can see how it's leaving a little bit of an oily residue. These are prone to do that. It's just naturally how it is if you're using this type of corrosion preventer. If you have any questions, we're happy to assist with any of your needs. Please give us a call, 828-220-5012.